Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Clark's Farms. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it all helps the channel. Today we are at the ploughing. Myself, either in Gavin or at it here. Hopefully the rain will stay away today. It's not too bad at the minute. Yeah, so we'll hopefully have a good day at it. Yes, we'll see how it goes. Gavin, talk.
Oh, I am Gavin.
So we're just down to ploughing here. We had an early start this morning. After at 5, we landed here about 8. Yeah, impressed, a lot of stuff with it so far anyway. Just over here, look at the clipbacks crush. It's a crush of dreams. Go on in there, yeah. Go on, show us. I wouldn't know how to walk it.
Man, go on. Right in there. There's one car on the
Yeah. Good job the way the bottom door and all goes in.
Stuff like that. Yeah, wasn't it?
So whenever you know you put a crush in there, you have to make cabin or put cabin or what you put. So you've a locked in. That's some crush. Unbelievable. Good head scooping on it. That's something we definitely can make a use of. Well thought of now. Right, whoever guessed Gavin's right weight gets a free hat. 175 kilo. Jesus, Gavin. What a crush though.
How's that weight there? Where's the 79?
Come on, Kelly. Staying it out of lane there.
I will, yeah.
You might have to because you break it here.
Going very well then. Yeah, I think I broke another one of that. So
we better leave.
or leave the back down really quickly.
So one of the things that we came to the plan to look at was the clip axe fencing, and this is it here. A real handy job. Pull them clips up and you pull your wire out. Very handy job. They're walking out at €7.50 a piece per post if you want the 3-wire clip on it, or if you want the one with all these, I think it's 11 clips and that, walking about €9 a piece. But tidy job, and you wouldn't be long throwing a fence up. Yeah, it's definitely something we make use of, I think. So another thing Gavin was looking to look at was a rear discharge spreader.
Hello everybody.
So he's up on this 6-ton one. It's cross engineering one. Apparently these are much better because they've got 4 chains on the inside of them instead of 2 chains. That leaves the bars won't bend. But yeah, it's one that he's going to look at for the plant hire for maybe next year. He has side discharge ones now at the minute, but I think rear discharge is the way to go. But yeah, fine looking machine. But like everything else, if it's going to stick to hire, it has to be well built. Kind of saying that out of line, Gav.
I say too many dolphin names, that's the problem.
Jeez, now you have to put it up farmhand and crone to put in some stand. Look at that. That is a thing of beauty. Unbelievable. Jeez, now you wouldn't know what you see that about.
Come and get this loving from me. I'm ready. You want it? You can get this love strong. Come and get this loving from me. I'm ready. You want it? You can get this love strong. 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 Love strong. Love strong. Come and get this loving from me. I'm ready. You want it? You can get this love strong. Come and get this loving from me. I'm ready. You want it? You can get this love strong. Come and get this loving from me. I'm ready. You want it? You can get this love strong. Come and get this loving from me. I'm ready. You want it?
So that's the ploughing over for this year. Great show. You're looking around loads of stands, looking at a few different yokes we were looking at. Clip expansion was one of the highlights I'd say we'll probably go for. Didn't get to see any ploughing at all. Was a good day all round. The rain didn't dampen the spirits anyway. Great crowds about it. It was gutty like, but it wasn't too bad. The welly boots on, so I just tamped on through it and got on with it. Stayed on. Yeah, great show. So that's it for this week. Don't forget to like and subscribe, drop any comments below, and check out the website there. See any merch you're interested in. We have a new video out every Sunday. And yeah, so that's us for this week. All the best. Good luck.